Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you Lenovo ThinkPad T14 Gen 5 Ultra 5 model. You can see here, this is the box of the unit. These are the things inside the box. Power adapter, power cable box, this one, and user manual and laptop. Let's see the power adapter now. It comes with a USB-C and what is a volt and ampere. It comes with 65 watts, 20 voltage, 3.25 ampere. And this is a power cable, UK type 3 pin, and this is a user manual. Let's see what are the things about the product details. This is the user manual is there, and let's see the laptop. This is a eco-friendly, so there is no plastic, eco material inside, and comes with a cloth. This is a Lenovo seal. Yeah, here you can see black color aluminum case, the material case. You can see compared to the old model, this is a new design, T14 Gen 5 series. You can see the logo, and here Lenovo, and here ThinkPad. This is the side view of the unit. It's a little thick compared to the new. Look like a little thicker compared to the old model, and something weight also is there. And one hand we can lift. You can see Intel Ultra 5 processor, comes with the Intel graphic, smooth touchpad. Here you can see the ThinkPad logo, and here you can see the speakers on top. The old series comes on down, the new series on top they given Ultra series. And here you can see the backlight keyboard and power button as well as fingerprint reader also, and metal hinges. Here you can see 180 degrees. Yeah, 180 degrees. And webcam with privacy shutter. And built-in mic, and one indicator is here. This one is a face recognition, IR. This is a frame, slim frame on both side, slim frame, and this is a aluminum on top and aluminum on bottom. And let's see what are the connectivities. 2 Thunderbolt port, Type C, HDMI, power USB port, and headphone jack combo 3.5 mm. And let's see other side. Kensington lock system, Ethernet port RJ45, and one USB port, and car reader. And this one is a smart car reader. This one is a smart car reader. You can see here, smart car reader. This is the design of the unit of ThinkPad T14 Gen 5 series. Here you can see Dolby audio, and keyboard you can see Copilot key here. It's a very nice keyboard, chiclet keyboard, and mouse scroll, smooth design, smooth finishing. Good laptop for business. So this is a complete design of the Lenovo ThinkPad T14 Gen 5 series. It's a 14 inches WXGA screen, 1920 by 1200. This model comes with a 16 GB RAM, DDR5 5600, and 512 GB M.2 NVMe 2280 PCIe. And all the details I'm going to mention in the description. Please check it out. So this is a complete design of the unit. Thank you for watching. Like the video and subscribe to my channel.